received this question: how can I fit exercise in without feeling bad when I just can't? My schedule is just too full. I have the kids at home to help with home learning. I am working from home. The house needs to be clean, laundry folded, groceries shopped for. Wow, there's like a litany of things here. I am so stretched. I have no time to fit exercise in. This makes me feel like such a failure. How can I fit exercise in without feeling bad when I just can't? I hear you. I've been there and know that I got you. Hey, Tracy here. I'm here helping frustrated dieters create small daily habits for long-term weight loss success. I've been an overweight person, so I understand. How many of us set goals in a way that result in daily success? I know I didn't. That is until declining health and an over 50-pound weight gain left me little to no choice. Most of us set goals where it's, I want to lose 30 pounds in 60 days, or I want to save X amount of dollars in these many months. Having really great long-term goals, that's beautiful. The thing is, when our goals are so far away from us, in the middle of going, striving, working for them, we become bogged down, discouraged, frustrated that things are not progressing. But when we set goals in a way that every single day we are accomplishing something, we can see, I did this, and doing A helps me get closer to Z. It keeps the momentum going. A lot of you are popping in my inbox talking about, I don't have the motivation. I'm just not encouraged to do this. I need inspiration. So much. I can't. Mainly in part because the goals are so huge. Have your huge goals, but you need to have goals that allow you to walk around, pop the collar. I did that. Would you believe me if I told you that walking for only 1 minute, that's 60 seconds a day, is the key to I don't have time for exercise? It can be. Let me show you how. If you would please indulge me, stand up for me. Now walk in place right where you are. Simple, right? Imagine yourself doing this very simple action while watching a really great, awesome YouTube. You can knock this goal out before the day is even started. Remember, the goal is only to walk for 1 minute, 60 seconds. Walking is one of the easiest and most inexpensive forms of exercise. It is suitable for almost everyone. Walking has tons of benefits, ranging from being low impact, less stressful on your joints. Walking improves circulation, and let's not forget that it does help with weight loss. Guess what? 1 minute is up. You can have a seat. Or if you feel like, yeah, I got time, I'm feeling pretty good, little motivated here, I could walk a little bit more, do so. Extra credit points for you. And therein lies the beauty of small daily habits. When we incorporate small habits one at a time, we get all the ghosts hanging out in our lives. It sounds odd, but actually doing less allowed me to achieve more. At the time, I had no reference for what I was doing. Interestingly enough, Stephen Guise, the author of Many Habits, he knew exactly what I was talking about. I have read this book, Many Habits. Oh, look at it, it's all worn. I read this book thinking, Stephen, we are here. So the concept of many habits or small habits is essentially setting the expectation bar so low that success is bound to happen, like walking. Walking 1 minute each day, that's low bar, versus say walking 30 minutes every day. If I were to look over my schedule, I can pretty easily figure out where I can fit in 1 minute, 60 seconds of walking. But 30 minutes, that will require more planning and time commitment. If you don't get around to doing any more walking or any other form of exercise for the day, that's okay. You are still a champion. You met the 1 minute goal. That was your goal. Your goal was to walk for 1 minute and you did it. Disclaimer. 1 minute of walking will not get you ripped or dropping 30 pounds in, say, 7 days. It will not. What walking 1 minute a day will do is slowly build the habit, the thought pattern, followed by action. Before long, you will not need to fit exercise or movement into your day. It will be something that you do on autopilot. Seeing myself accomplish subtle goals made it easier for me to continue doing all of them. I am creating habits without a great deal of effort or forethought, much like breathing. We just do it. We don't think about it. It's automatic. There are things that you do right now today that are automatic. You're not thinking about it. We can put our health and our health goals in that same automatic format. Doing things on autopilot. This is what I want for you. Today, going forward, I will begin to help you create your own set of habits that will allow you to crush your bigger goals. Before long, your bigger goals will show up and surprise you, and you will, wait a minute, how did that happen? I don't even remember working hard, striving hard. They will just show up. It will be such a pleasant surprise. You will love having these daily wins to reflect on, especially when all else from day to day seems harder and longer. This week, the goal is to walk for 1 minute, 60 seconds. That's it. Because the holidays are coming up, I am going to pop on here with new action steps to help you remove the cry of, I don't have time for exercise, no time to eat healthy, no time to sleep properly, no time to make your health a priority. Be sure you have subscribed and press the bell notification so that you are aware and notified when those new videos are released. Because I like bonuses, I want to be sure, crystal clear sure, that I am helping you have sustainable success in your weight loss journey. I want you to go down into the description box and click on my Instagram link. From Instagram, after you followed me, I want you to direct message me there and tell me your health goal, what you are striving for, and how it is that you are currently working towards reaching that goal. I will check in with you real time, accountability style, to help you keep moving forward instead of always having that 1 step forward, 2 step back. Vincent van Gogh said it best. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. It is time to take that first small step. Click the Instagram link in the description box below. Health starts within.